I'm away in my van right now and not in my normal office space, but that doesn't mean I can't create videos. I can do everything I need directly from the Premiere mobile app, the sponsor of today's video. Let's get into it. Now, while I'm away, I don't even have to worry about bringing a professional mic setup with me because I can use enhanced speech option, which is unlimited and free inside of the app, by the way. It takes my audio from sounding like this directly out of the camera to sounding something a little bit more like this. Enhanced speech goes nicely with unlimited auto captions, which I'm including on the bottom of this video. They're really good, really accurate, but you can go in and edit if you do need to make any changes. Premiere Mobile isn't like other apps that leave you with a watermark. There's no watermark when you export your videos from the Premiere Mobile app. And if you want to add in some music, there's even beat detection available in there, so you can match your cuts to the beat detection. And when you're ready, you just click download and export that and upload that to your chosen platform. Try out Premiere Mobile today. Comment Premiere and I'll send you a link to try this, or you can go to the App Store and try it out for yourself.